Before we start today's video, I have another set of picks for you from the amazing folks over at Dossier. By now, I'm sure you know who they are. I've talked about them a bunch here in previous videos, but just in case you're new here, Dossier is an awesome brand that takes those famous and oftentimes unbelievably expensive fragrances and replicates them and then offers them for a much more realistic price, with most coming in between $29 and $49 compared to the hundreds that brand name ones cost. And for those wondering, this is the most immediate question that I always get asked. Yes, they are almost identical to the real thing. In some cases, it's hardly distinguishable between the two, actually. This month, I got some awesome Mother's Day picks to show you. I got a couple to give my mother and my grandmother. We got the Aquatic Peony, which is inspired by Armani's Acqua di Gioia, and the Woody Sage, inspired by Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt, which is actually a unisex fragrance, something we haven't yet touched on in previous videos. You see, Dossier carries a lot of unisex options, actually, so there's a wide variety of scents that you have access to when considering gifts for people like I am here. And as I've said a lot in the past, these make excellent gifts. I mean, they already come ready to go, so you don't really have to do anything to them. You don't got to wrap them up. They come gift ready. And once again, it doesn't break the bank, so it's a total win-win for everyone. So check out Dossier right down in the description and pick something up for yourself or someone you love. Now though, on to today's episode. What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have some fun. This is my son Finley. If you've been with the channel for a while, then you've watched him grow up just as I have. And today I'm gonna share with you our current daily school day styling routine with him. His hair is really starting to change. It's starting to thicken up as he grows, so we've had to update our routine a little bit. But I think we got a really good system here that just might benefit some of you as well. Now, speed and efficiency is the name of the game here. And right now, these two products are checking both boxes: the Shoreline spray from Lodestar and the Monarch matte paste from Blumon. And with the Shoreline spray, we are kicking things off here by helping us break up some of that bedhead. We just spray it all around basically and get things moving, while also embedding some of the features of the spray, which include lightweight texture, volume, and structure. This step we found is key for things to work in this case, and the spray really helps with that. After that, now we've got some light blow drying to activate that spray and get some foundation built in his hair. This also lends a hand to the Monarch in the hold department and keeps that shape a little better. Now though, it is time for that Monarch, which in his hair actually has more hold and endurance than it does for me, as he doesn't have as thick of hair as I do quite yet. I don't use a ton, of course. I just use basically this much in my finger, just one scoop, but I do try to make sure I really work it into the roots. The next step though, the final step really, is all about combing and finishing up, and that's fairly easy because he has a pretty built-in hairstyle. His hair just naturally goes this way, so I don't fight that too much. I just make sure it looks neat and tidy. I really don't spend a whole lot of time on this. In fact, when we are doing this process for real in the morning, it really only takes us about 5 or 6 minutes, if that. We've gotten it down pretty much to like a NASCAR pit crew, just kind of in and out, making it look good, consistent results every single time, and he's off to school. But here's the end result that we get with that routine. This is the end result that we get every single day, which serves us really well, as we all know how crazy kindergarten can get sometimes. So having products that can stand up to that really help out, and that's also what the Killer Combo segment was really about here on the channel at its core. Finding products that just complement each other really well, maybe some too that you hadn't thought to try out together. So if you'd like to try out this combination, I will leave links to the Lodestar site and the Blumon site in the description, along with my code for Blumon. It's just my name, Mike. Just put that in the coupon box and it will save you money on anything on their site. Thanks so much for checking out this video with us today. If you enjoyed what you saw here, drop us a like, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. That is it though for this one. As always, take it easy. I'll see you next time.